All right, good morning, everybody. It is 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, and today we're going to take a look at some runs of long-range modeling, and then we're going to do a short-range and medium-range update. First of all, let's go to weatherbell.com and see if their European model has come out, their June 1st run, and it is not. And I'm getting very frustrated at that because I want it to be out so I can see, okay, but our CanSIPS model is out, and let's see what it has for summer. Here's summer. Pretty cool for their forecast, obviously, here in the Midwest. Warm for the West, warm for the Northeast. And then we go through July, August, and September. It's also cool. August, September, and October, cool. Let's get towards winter. See what it has, September, October, November. The heat increases for the West. October, November, December. Again, the heat is mainly, it spreads eastward, and now it's covering the whole southern half of the United States. And then comes November, December, and January, and we have a lot of cold here start to develop around the northern half of the USA. That only intensifies as we head into January and February and March. So just a little look at that. It's not really a forecast of mine, but just looking at what the model is showing. Let's take a look at our CFS V2 seasonal. And this is actually new. It just came out June 2nd, which is today. We're going to take a look at our seasonal temperature anomalies. So June, July, and August of this year. It's cool in the Midwest. Let's fast forward that a little bit. July, August, and September is cool in the Midwest. So again, two models here forecasting a pretty cool summer. So we have some consistency there. I do want to take a cheat and see if the Jamstack weather model has come out yet. Little cheat because it's usually not out yet, and it's not. So we will take a look at our NOAA 6 to 10 day outlook. And again, a lot of cool in areas where the seasonal models are forecasting cool for the summer. So we see that as a current theme right now. A lot of warmth in the West, also in Texas, and in Florida, and in the Northeast. Our 6 to 10 day precip outlook has, again, a lot of precip for the Southeast, dry weather for the Northwest. And again, 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. We have below normal for the Midwest, above for the West, above for the East and South. And again, we have above normal precip here in the Southeast, below in the Northwest, and a little sloth of above normal precip here in northern Minnesota and in northern Wisconsin. And let's take a look at our NAO. Let's take a look at our NAO. So our NAO is currently negative, forecasted to go positive, and then eventually dip back down negative in 2 weeks from now. What that would promote is high pressure over the east, cooler weather, which is what we're seeing in the Midwest, which is kind of correlated with the east, but not entirely. Let's take a look at our Storm Prediction Center and take a look at that. And our day one convective outlook is pretty significant. I mean, it's not major, but we do have a big slight risk there in the yellow. Tornado is small, wind is there, hail is there. Day two, that shifts eastward. Again, we have a small tornado threat, a wind threat mainly, and a hail threat. And day three, again, that dissipates by day three. It's only a marginal threat of severe weather and a marginal risk toward New Mexico. In days 4 through 8, we have another outbreak in Texas, day 4. And days 6, 7, and 8 are too low to have certainty of. Let's take a look at our National Hurricane Center, and there's been talk of a potential tropical system going to develop along the East Coast by, basically Monday through Wednesday time frame, or Eastern Pacific, we have a disturbance with a 40% chance of cyclone formation in 7 days. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that. If that does form, monitor that. And the Central Pacific is completely dry, nothing to worry about in terms of tropical activity. So yeah, we looked at a few seasonal models for this summer, fall, and winter. And again, the CANSIPS model has a very cold winter for the north. So this will be my winter hint number 5. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Take care.